Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss the important terms which are related to this chapter, principles of inheritance and the variations. Here we are going to start. First, gene. What is gene? Gene basically it is the functional unit of the inheritance. Basically genes are responsible for the transferring of different types of characters from one generation to another one, from grandparents to the parents and parent to us. This term gene was proposed by the scientist Johanson, and Mendel proposed the gene with the help of a specific term which is known as factor. मेंडल के थ्रू जीन को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए एक वर्ड यूज कराया जाता है जिसे हम फैक्टर कहते हैं. फैक्टर एंड जीन दे बोथ आर सेम. फैक्टर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल proposed by Mendel, and after that rediscovery it converted into the gene. Second, alleles. What are alleles? Alleles basically they are alternated form of the genes. They are two types, dominated and recessive. Dominated means they have tendency to express themselves in F1 generation, and recessive means they have not tendency to express themselves in F1 generation, but they are found in or shown in F2 generation. These are alleles. Homozygous means if both types of alleles are same, they are known as homozygous. Capital T and small t, they both are homozygous, but it is dominated, it is recessive. Heterozygous means if both types of alleles are different, it is tall, it is dwarf, it is heterozygous. Next, phenotypic characters and genotypic characters, or phenotype or genotype. Phenotype means physically appearance. Physical appearance means if the particular plant is tall or dwarf. With the help of eye visualization we can easily find out. This is the phenotypic character. Genotypic character means which types of genetic makeup is related to the particular plant. It means, for example, capital T small t, it is a heterozygous but tall. Capital T it is homozygous but tall. So there is little bit difference between the heterozygous and homozygous, but both are tall, but genetic makeup is different. Next, cross means whenever two different types of breeds, the breeding process takes place between them, it is known as cross. In short form, breeding of two plants, it is known as cross. Next, is the important term, it is represented by the F. Filial means the next generation. For example, it is represented by F1 and F2. Suppose whenever the cross takes place in these two types of different plants, and after that whenever the next generation came, next generation is related to the F1, and F1 represent the filial, F1, F2, F3 and so on. Now Punnett square, it is a type of square which is related to the two types of alleles. Whenever the cross pollination takes place between two types of alleles, and it is represented by the simple square structure which is represented by the scientist which name was Punnett. That's why it is known as Punnett square. Next, important term, selfing. Selfing means if the crossing takes place in the same generation. It means if both types of generations are same, both types of plants are same, and the selfing takes place between them. It means इनके बीच में क्या होता है, आपस में ही hybridization होगा. This is related to the selfing. This is capital T small t, here is also capital T small t, and all generations are related to the capital T and small t. So this is selfing. Pure line means whenever the crossing or the selfing takes place between two types of organisms, and this breeding or this crossing takes place till then the fifth generation. This is known as pure line. Now monohybrid cross means if we are taking one character for the cross pollination or the self pollination, it is known as monohybrid cross. If we are taking two types of characters, this is known as dihybrid cross, and three types of characters if we are taking, it is related to the trihybrid cross. So these all 14 terms, important terms, are related to this chapter, principles of inheritance and the variations. Next video we will discuss the law and the principles of the Mendel.